As you're planning the best way to implement the Do Your Bit challenge into your classroom, you might be thinking about the types of projects which the students might be creating and how you can support them along the way. My first recommendation is to go to the Do Your Bit challenge website, where you'll find heaps of lessons which get the students to start thinking about the UN's Global Sustainable Development Goals, as well as learning about MakeCode and the microbit itself. The lessons include a range of activities and resources which are free to access and download. It includes lesson plans, presentations, example project files, and even student worksheets. You should also check out the Microsoft Education YouTube channel, which has a series on MakeCode and the Sustainable Development Goals. In the past, some submissions have included a surveillance device which posts pictures to Twitter for forest conservationists, a 3D printed autonomous boat which collects rubbish from the ocean, a warning system for birds so they don't fly into windows, a hammerhead shark warning and monitoring system, and even a temperature regulation device to preserve the gender diversity of sea turtles. The 2021 Do Your Bit Challenge focuses on Goal 3 and Goal 13 of the UN's Global Sustainable Development Goals. That's good health and well-being and climate action. We're really looking forward to seeing your students' ideas and their take on solutions which could be developed to help contribute to the real-world problems which we're facing today. Visit the Do Your Bit page on the Pakronics website to find out more information, support resources, and to register.